What does worksheet mean? A worksheet is a sheet of paper or a digital document that contains questions, exercises, or tasks to complete. In simple words, a worksheet is a practice sheet used for learning or working. Worksheets are commonly used in schools, offices, and accounting. In schools, teachers give worksheets to students for practice. These worksheets may include math problems, grammar exercises, science questions, or puzzles. For example, the teacher gave a math worksheet for homework. Students complete the worksheet to improve their understanding. In offices and business, a worksheet can also mean a document used for calculations or planning. For example, in accounting, a worksheet helps organize financial data before preparing final statements. In computer software like Microsoft Excel, a worksheet refers to a single page inside a spreadsheet file. Each worksheet contains rows and columns where data can be entered and calculated. For example, she created a worksheet in Excel to calculate expenses. Worksheets help organize information clearly and make tasks easier. Here are some example sentences. The student solved the worksheet in class. He prepared a budget worksheet. The worksheet contains 10 practice questions. In simple terms, a worksheet is a practice or working sheet for completing tasks. Easy way to remember. Worksheet means practice sheet.